Hello, welcome to Profit System. Let us have a look at what happened on 3rd September 2013 in Bank Nifty intraday. This is the Profit System intraday dashboard. You can see here that OHLC updated till date is showing as 30th August 2013. Let me go to OHLC and scroll down and update the 2nd September 2013 data. So you can see here that this tool is updated till 30th August 2013. Let me go to nseindia.com. Go to products, indices, historical data. Instead of CNX Nifty, select CNX Bank and select the time period as 2nd September 2013 to 2nd September 2013. Say get data and download file in CSV format. So you have the data here. So let me update this into the tool. So now this tool is updated for 2nd September 2013. Let me go to the dashboard, click on update dashboard, and you can see here that the OHLC updated till date is 2nd September 2013, and there is a change in the entry point, stop loss point and target points. Now let me go to 3rd September 2013 and have a look what is the open price for Bank Nifty spot. You can see here that the Bank Nifty spot open price is 9220.95. Let me update the same, 9220.95. 9220.95, and let me put the date 3rd September 2013, and you can see here what is the short entry price 9183.54 and long entry price is 9258.36. Let me again go to Bank Nifty and look at which one is triggered first, whether the long entry price which is 9258.36 or the short entry price which is 9183.54. Let me open Bank Nifty graph for you. You don't require any charting software for this, but only for the illustration purpose I am using the Bank Nifty charts. So this is Bank Nifty spot, and you can see here that the high made for this day is 9213.05, and our long entry price is 40 points, approximately 40 points above that. And what is the short entry price? 9183.54, and it triggered in the first minute itself about 9:15 itself. So let's go to the futures data and let me have a look at what is the corresponding price at that time. So the way we take this entry is, as soon as the entry price is hit in the spot, we take the corresponding future, either short or long. So in this case we are taking a short price. Let me take the close of this. So this is Nifty. Let me update this for Bank Nifty. So in the first 1 minute, so we took this entry at the first 9:15 itself. That's about 9185. So let me take the entry price as 9185. So let me put this for you. Entry price 9185, and we have gone short because that is the price, that is the price which has got triggered. And what is the stop loss for this? The stop loss is a fixed point of 75 in this case, and let me add 75 to this. So let us have a look at if this price is triggered or not. So 9260 is the stop loss, and after we have taken this entry, the stop loss has not triggered. The high made is 9209, while our stop loss is 9260. And according to the system, we exit this trade towards the close, that is at 320. And what is the price at 320? $8671. So 8671 is the exit price. And what is the profits earned? $9185, which is our entry price, minus the exit price, about 514 points. And in rupees, profits in rupees, multiply these points into 25. So that's about 12,850. So this is the profit that we earned for 3rd September 2013. And now let me update the tool for 3rd September and see what it is showing in the tradebook trail. So let me go to nseindia.com, change the dates to 3rd September 2013 and say get data, download file in CSV format, open this 3rd September file, update this in the OHLC in our tool, go to OHLC, I'm scrolling it down and I'm updating the 3rd September 2013. Go to dashboard and say update dashboard. So now it is updated for till 3rd September 2013. Let me go to tradebook trailing and show you what the profits this tool is showing. So it is showing 519.34 and the profits that we made is 514. So that's about 12,850 and the profits the tool is showing is 25,877. Let me just check if I have done this calculation correctly. Okay. Let me check if I have updated the correct lot size for Bank Nifty. Here you have the option of updating the lot size. If it is for Bank Nifty, what is the lot size, and for Nifty, what is the lot size. So the lot size for Bank Nifty is 25 and I have updated 25 in the lot size column, and I'm coming to the 3rd September 2013 and I am verifying the data. So that's about 12,939 to be more precise after brokerage. So this is after brokerage, and whatever I have calculation here, it is before brokerage. So this is what happened on 3rd September 2013, and you again have for 4th September 2013 you need to repeat this process. Thank you for watching this video. Watch this space for more updates. Thank you. Bye.